Hey guys, I'm going to show you my very first Scratch tutorial on YouTube. So, let's go open Google. We already opened it. Now you just type scratch.org, and once you do that, you can press enter, and then we'll switch to met.edu. The reason it's called met.edu is because Scratch is used for schools, like even on computer apps. So you press create, and then you you have created a project. Now I'll make the camera smaller so then you can see the class. Now I'll close this. So let's start with the when flag is clicked. Like this, like what's happening is that if you click this flag, then it will activate this block. But then nothing happens. So let's go at move 10 steps. So when the green flag is clicked, it activates this block, which makes the cat move 10 steps. So it will change this positions. And once you click it, it moves the cat right from the right. And there are also these two other blocks, move 15 degrees, which is right there, moving this direction. Like it will move this cat to this direction. Notice that there's a direction part as well. And let me hide this. So let's go at this thing. And what will happen is that when the flag is clicked, it will turn the cat 15 degrees and then move it to the other direction, which is interesting. Like you can do this, and then it moves the cat like a circle. If you repeat it, like you can even repeat pressing the flag and it will make the cat draw like a circle. Next up, now we can get rid of this block. You just move it and then pull it out, and the block will disappear. Next up is go to XY position. So what's happening is that like we can select one number, when we say 47 by sending X position to 47 and Y position to 80. So what's happening is that it will move the cat to the to this position. Like the X position is this horizontal and Y position is vertical, right? And once you click the flag, it will move this cat in here, which is pretty cool. And you can even select another number and it will move the cat to a different position. See? How about this one? And it moves the cat there. So it's pretty cool. You can even go to control. There's this forever block. And what it does is that when the flag is clicked, this forever block will go like over and over, like forever and ever and ever. That's like it will never end. And you can even do this. So I'll like for example add move 10 steps and turn 15 degrees this side. So what happens is that when the flag is clicked, you first move 10 steps and then turn 15 degrees, and then forever block will just do the exact same thing over and over and over again, which is pretty cool. Now let's press the flag, and as you can see, the cat is going in circles and circles. So you don't need to like repeatedly press the flag again, and instead just watch your cat spin like a circle. And you can even press that red stop button and it will stop the script, which is pretty cool. What's next is you can go to control. There's also this wait seconds block. Like it says wait for 1 second. So you can put it there. What's happening is that when the flag is clicked, like let me get rid of the forever block. So when the flag is clicked, it will wait for a single second, like this one, and then it will move 10 steps and then turn 15 degrees. Let's see. Boom. Like every second it will make the cat move. Or you can even repeatedly do it with the forever block, and we'll do the exact same thing over and over again. Like every second makes the cat move and turn direction when you add the forever block. Press the flag, and it looks like the cat is spinning like it looks like I also made a second-hand clock, which is pretty cool. And lastly, I can also show you this pen extinction, which is right there. You just first go press this one, which has 2 blocks and a plus sign, and then you just press this one, which is pen. Draw with your sprites. We have like a few, I don't know, 9 of these blocks, and let's say like you could just move the pen down, like it will draw, and if it is pen up, it will just like stop drawing. Let's try first put pen down. We can also add what color you want. Let's say I want to use yellow, my favorite color, and I also, okay, yellow is too bright, so how about black instead? So now what's happening is that when it will set the color to black, and then moves the pen down, so then it can draw, and then every second it will move 10 steps and then 15 degrees. And what's interesting is that it can even draw when the sprite is moving, which is pretty cool. So let's go press the flag. And as you can see, we can barely see the line, but this cat is actually blocking it. And you can even adjust the pen size as well. Like, let's say 10, not 0, 10. So then we can see it better. Let's see that again. So as you can see, the cat is actually drawing, and I can even remove the wait block as well, so that it makes it faster. And as you can see, the cat is drawing a quite perfect circle, like a perfect circle. And we can also move the cat, and as you can see, it made a very cool circle. Now this is the end of this video. Bye.